that four-wheel drive, hit that dirt road. Let's go up to the North Woods. Up the dirt road, the North Maine Woods, where the fishing's just a little better than good, where they're setting traps, dragging lead line, looking for that lunker. Gotta give it time, SwampMossy, give it time. That bait'll still be there when it's hitting time. Give it time, SwampMossy, give it time. You'll have that lunker just a strip in line. Is that the T-Loss gate? Give it time, SwampMossy, give it time. That bait'll still be there.
We're gonna baste them
when it's hitting time. Give it time, SwampMossy.
Here we are.
Give it time.
Ashland, Maine.
You'll have that lunker
In all fuel.
just a strip in line.
Ooh, look at that nice pretty truck right there. Oh baby.
Sunday morning, 11 o'clock. We are almost to the Blanchette Road, North Maine Woods. We're all checked in. We got our passes and everything. And it's 72 degrees, October 9th. We're headed into camp.
Way to Burger King!
A little bit further.
A little further? Okay.
Wide open.
He's up. Right about there.
Wide open.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Hey, Chris. Monday morning,
Day one.
5:40 a.m. Loving every minute of it.
Yep.
We're roasting the chickens.
Gotta get it's moosey.
Well, let me see that. Brook down in there. You get a call. Which, so we're thinking it's right there.
We got a spotted cow.
Spotted cow, we're en route.
About 4 miles away.
This is, you've seen them on TV called tornado chasers. This is moose chasers.
Yeah.
Hunting edition.
Moose chasers.
Yeah. Take him. Take you off. How we doing, Chris?
Doing good. Taking a look at the map, seeing what we got for roads. There's a lot of them. None of them are blue or red anymore.
What's our status with what we've seen, what we've shot?
We've seen, I believe, 5 birds today. We have one in the back. We kind of got a little excited right off the bat. Maybe used a shallow load on a couple of them, but was it you that capitalized, or Nate?
Nate.
Nate got one. We see a bird. He was putting out behind the truck, and he took off, but Caleb and Nate went in after him, and they came back with a good bird. So.
How about moose?
Moose. What's a moose? We haven't seen anything. I think Jesse's crew in Jesse's truck, they helped load up a small cow that somebody else got. So they've seen some black hair today, but nothing they could have shot. So
Yep.
still early, but you know, the more time that passes by, the sense of urgency gets more and more as the days go on. So
Looking for a moose.
looking for a moose. I think he's on the ground, Nate. I can hear him. Again. Throw it to the head. Holy. I look at the tape, keep on trucking.
3 o'clock.
That's Quebec there, right?
Monday afternoon.
66 degrees and sunny. We just had a little lunch. We're headed back out. Looking for the 3:30 flurry. Moose and birds.
I got a good feeling about this afternoon.
We're looking to shoot that big black bastard.
We're gonna hone in on him.